Welcome to this Software Ideas Modeler tutorial. Today, we're going to explore the powerful locking features of Software Ideas Modeler using a UML class diagram as our example. Our focus will be on a class named Book and an enumeration element called Genre. Let's dive in. Our Book class has 4 attributes: ISBN, name, description, author, and a special attribute called Genre, which we will connect to our genre enumeration element. This connection demonstrates Software Ideas Modeler's capability to automatically assign types and enhance model reusability. Notice how, upon connecting the genre attribute to the genre enumeration, the type is automatically assigned. Additionally, the Lock to Fields feature is activated by default. This means when we move the genre attribute within the Book class, the connector end diligently follows the field, ensuring a clean, organized diagram. Observe as we move the enumeration element. The connector attaches to the nearest side, maintaining a logical and visually appealing connection. This dynamic adjustment is part of what makes Software Ideas Modeler so intuitive. Let's lock the connector on the enumeration element side. Initially, the connector end can move freely. However, by right-clicking on it and selecting Lock Endpoint, we fix the point in place. Even as we move the enumeration, the connector's end remains steadfast. When we disable Lock Endpoint Auto Side from the context menu, the connector end stays in its exact position without changing sides, regardless of how we move the enumeration element. But what about resizing the enumeration element? Initially, as we adjust its height, the connector's position shifts, adhering to its relative position on the border. This changes when we enable Lock End Absolute Lock. Now, watch as we resize the element again. The connector remains unmoved, showcasing the precision control Software Ideas Modeler offers over diagram connections. And there you have it, a practical demonstration of using lock features in Software Ideas Modeler to ensure your UML diagrams are both accurate and aesthetically pleasing. Whether it's maintaining the integrity of your connections or precisely controlling element positions, Software Ideas Modeler provides the tools you need for professional diagramming. Thank you for watching this tutorial. For more tips and tricks on making the most of Software Ideas Modeler, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Happy diagramming!